of the Board of Trustees, to our principal, Teacher Merla, faculty and non-teaching personnel, fellow graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon. It is my honor to stand before you and represent the Kinder. I feel so blessed for having been selected as the one to deliver the word of welcome. To all of you, I say, welcome, welcome to our graduation day. Today is an important day to all of us because it is our graduation day. It is a time to gather all our achievements and keep them in our life treasure boxes. Likewise, I would like to offer my thanks to my mom and dad, mama, papa, aunties, uncles, and to my little sister, Sophie. This graduation is not only for me, but also for you. Thank you for undying support. Your great sacrifices will never be forgotten and forever will be appreciated. I offer this wonderful moment to all of you. To our teacher, Teacher Jenny, we thank you for your never-failing guidance. You can never forget the sacrifices that you made for us to be able to read, count, and write. You have prepared us well. We will carry with us all that you have taught us as we begin the next chapter of our school life. Thank you very much and God bless us all. Thank you, Alcina. I hope everyone